We've been using web since quite a long time as it has provided us many useful services like having a machine-to-machine interaction over a network, watching a video, listening to music, and so on. Well, is there any way to integrate all these things into a common platform? Yes, we can do it using Microsoft Silverlight. Hello everyone, this is Sarika doing my BE Computer Science at Osmania University, Andhra Pradesh, and I'm here to speak about a very innovative application that is Microsoft Silverlight. Well, Silverlight is basically a powerful development platform which enables us to create, deliver and engage rich user interactive experiences over the web, desktop and mobile applications either online or out of browser. Well, what makes Silverlight so special? Silverlight provides a retain mode graphics system which integrates the animation, graphics and multimedia into a common runtime environment. That is, in short, the simple web pages are replaced by the interactive web pages by using Silverlight. Well, coming to the interfacing, when a particular user wants to update a particular graphical interface, then Silverlight allows to do so by taking the input from the reader, from the user, then updating the particular graphical interface without actually interrupting him by refreshing the whole page. Isn't that so interesting? Yes. Now coming to the development part. If a particular developer wants to develop any website application, he'll have to familiarize himself to a lot of technologies like HTML, JavaScript, CSS and whatnot. And finally, he'll have to deploy it into a common platform. But Silverlight on its own comes with a common environment which provides all these things in a common platform which enables a developer to develop any application. Okay, now how do I create an application using Silverlight? The most interesting aspect is Silverlight separates the designing part from the programming part. If a designer wants to design any of the application, he can do so using XAML, that is Extended Application Markup Language, without even knowing the coding part. Whereas a developer can develop the programming stuff on any of the .NET framework languages like C#, VB.NET, etc. Now once the application is created, how do I run it? The Silverlight applications are basically cross-browser and cross-platform. That is, you can run your application on any browser without having the browser-specific code. And you can even run your application on any of the popular operating systems also. Now, why do I choose Silverlight over Adobe Flash? Well, one of the main reasons is animation. Flash uses the frame-based animation model which requires a lot of calculations. Like for example, if a user wants to run a block over a screen for about 3 seconds, then he'll have to calculate the number of frames required for those 3 seconds, find out the position of the object in each frame and also find the matrices required for it. Whereas Silverlight is so user-friendly that we don't need to calculate any of the matrices required or positions required. You just have to define the start and end conditions and that's it. The rest of it would be looked after by the Silverlight. Well, there are many other features of Silverlight like text representation, web streaming and so on, which makes Silverlight to be chosen rather than the Flash. Well, what are you waiting for? Get your Silverlight installed right now and experience the whole new revolutionized world of it. Thank you.